The Missouri Department of Health and Senior Services has now expanded a COVID-19 advisory to cover 8 counties in the southwest part of the state, including Springfield and Branson. Health leaders continue to stress the importance of vaccinations in stopping the spread of the Delta variant. The vaccination rates in all 8 counties are below 35%, and 2 counties, Lawrence and Dallas, are at just 24%.
And at the same time, local doctors are learning more about the long-term effects of this virus. KCTV5's Nathan Vickers tells us why they are concerned.
Many patients diagnosed months ago still aren't feeling well. Today, some shared their stories here at Truman Medical Center.
If you don't believe it, look at me. Look at me.
Chantel Williams tested positive for COVID months ago, a severe case that landed her in the hospital. Though she's recovered now, some effects still linger.
It's like my mind is way ahead of me. My body is here, and it's like my heart is trying to catch up.
That kind of fatigue is one of many long-term effects patients have been reporting, which can be different in everyone. Some studies show as many as 70% of people feel symptoms 2 months after they test positive.
They don't have the endurance levels they had before. They can't do all the things that they were able to before.
Today, doctors at Truman Medical Center expressed concerns over the widespread long-term effects they're seeing. The hospital is making a concerted effort to identify and treat those patients.
The center is really trying to validate these patient concerns. A lot of times when they're coming into my clinic, they're exhausted. They feel somewhat unheard.
They also expressed concerns that more cases are spreading in Missouri, largely among unvaccinated communities. They say the long-term effects of the virus underscore the importance of preventing it.
High chances are that with the vaccine, you wouldn't even notice a COVID infection if you had one, and likely will be protected against the COVID infection. Very, very unlikely that it would get so severe that you would end up in the hospital.
I beg people to please get vaccinated, please.
The doctors say more than a fifth of long-term patients also experience mental illness, like depression and anxiety. In Kansas City, Nathan Vickers, KCTV 5 News.